secret. Stay fresher under pressure. The new Popeyes Hot Ones menu has something for the spice curious. The spice lovers and the full flavors fried spice loads. That flavor's fire. Check the Popeyes Hot Ones menu.
Taste a little bite here. That's good. I'll be honest here. So that brand. So I originally wanted to, I was out, had to take someone to the store. I wanted to test out the Cracker Barrel. I've never eaten at Cracker Barrel at all. The restaurant, never eaten there, but there are Cracker Barrels around here. I've never eaten at one, never tried the macaroni, but I know that they sell macaroni in the store. I wanted to try the brand for the first time, but they don't sell them at Kroger's. So for those who want to get them at Kroger's, they don't sell them, at least in store they don't. Maybe they sell them online, I have no idea. So I wanted to test it out, they didn't have it. So I chose that 5 Cheese Wisconsin brand. I had never seen that brand before. It said Wisconsin brand. I said, okay, I'll get that. Now, I grew up with Kraft's macaroni as a kid, in the 90s, early 2000s. So I don't even eat, these type of box processed foods like often at all. So I figured I'd give it a try here. But something different. Honestly, it tastes exactly like Kraft's macaroni. That's the best way I could describe it. It tastes very similar to Kraft's macaroni. So, I don't know, maybe I have to eat a little bit more. Let me get another bite. But yeah. It's good as macaroni. Again, it tastes like the Kraft's macaroni and cheese. So, that's my quick little review of it. Nothing amazing. Just dinner here. Chicken breast, which I'm not good at eating, but it was in the freezer. So I figured I'd cook it. I grilled it. Chicken breasts are like too tough for me to eat. It's always difficult, but I'll see here. And I'm on episode 3 of The Institute, which I'm about to watch right now. So I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.